What did I experience before I came to Magrabi Eye Center? Basically blurred vision. Slightly blurred vision, progressively getting a little bit worse over time, like the feeling of dirty glasses. And of course, when I changed or cleaned my glasses, the blurred vision was still there. That happened over a period of about a week. After that week, and I said, well, I probably need to get this checked out. I still recall on a Thursday evening, suddenly a small black curtain started to progress over my eye from the right side down, over my left eye. That's what I thought. I need to go there and check it really out. I did action it straight away on Saturday and went to Magrabi Clinic because it got progressively worse and worse with the black curtain. Now half of my eye was covered. That's when I said, well, this is really serious. And with these sort of signs, don't give up on it. So the 3 days when it progressively got worse, I wasn't working actually. I was actually playing golf. That's when the first sign of it really came up on a Friday morning. I was trying to look at the distance for my shot. And I said, there's something wrong. There's something funny happening here. You know, that black little curtain was coming up progressively, and there was no pain involved. That was the funny thing. It was painless. You know, there was no pain involved. There were no significant sign of floaters. There were no significant sign of flashes. It was just the blurred vision and that black curtain coming. The blurred vision is not something which got me immediately very worried. It's that black curtain which got me worried. You know, let's make sure that I have this appointment on the day after. That's when I went to the Magrabi Center. So after I got the referral from my doctor to see an eye specialist, I went to Magrabi Eye Center and I met Dr. Ruagh. And of course, you're a bit in an unknown terrain here, so the important thing of a doctor is not so much the technical details, it's the emotional side of helping you out, that we can do something about it. You're here and we will help you. Magrabi Center is a very professional outfit. It is well run, it's very structured. The devices of questions you can ask will get answered. And ask questions, because there's not such a thing as a stupid question. You know, you're in unknown terrain, you're in the hands of a good specialist. He will help you, he will do whatever he can do. He will see the urgency. That made me really confident when I came here, because you are a bit emotional. You know, losing eye vision and sight is a big thing in life. You don't know where this is going, there's uncertainty in there, and the doctor will explain where you stand at this moment. The whole operation which followed, which is on an urgent basis, happened the next day. So the day of the surgery, of course, you were pretty bit of you're excited, and there's all sorts of things that are going to happen which are not completely clear when you get in there. But the instructions they give are very obvious, they're very transparent. You can ask questions. They will explain everything. It is very structured, it's very clean, it's very well organized here. There was not a single second that I had doubts that am I in the right place. That made me, that sort of feeling with the local anesthesia which was given, the whole treatment, even during the surgery, I could listen, I could hear in, and comforting words were given as well. That's very important for a patient, to know what's happening. Of course, not every single detail, but these things are going right in the right direction. So there's almost contact with the surgeon as well during the operation, which I find very, very, very pleasant. That's a personal choice, but that's something where you have a feeling that things are in good hands. After the operation, there's clear instructions what to do and what not to do. It's important to stick to those instructions, because they're very personal. You can read a lot on the internet about what the instructions are, and you can hear stories from left to right and center to right. The instructions you get from the doctor are very personal. Stick to those instructions. Take it very serious. And that's something the doctor came straight after the operation as well. Had a chat with me, said that everything went okay. You just need a few signals and signs from people who know what they have done, and that things are in good hands. That is definitely a feeling you get from this clinic. That is something which I really appreciate. My concluding message is that I'd like to thank Dr. Ruagh and his team for the exceptional professional care they've given to me. Not only on the technical medical side, but also on the emotional side. Being able to answer questions at the right moment, at the right time, very clear, a very professional outfit here. If I look at the signs which I've had, make sure that you pick those signs up. Don't leave them. Don't I'm not the sort of person who goes to a doctor very quickly. It's better to go there one time too often and be sorry than be late. That's the real message I have. If you have signs with your eyes or any medical signs in general, don't let it wait. Go and see a specialist on this specific location. And that's what I would like to say.